If you're having a busy Thursday like I am, you'll love this Throwback Thursday recipe.
Welcome to the kitchen at Diabetes Every Day, where we show you exactly how to manage your diabetes with wonderful food. Today we'll be preparing a dish you've already seen regularly on our weekly menu, and with good reason. Lemon garlic salmon is healthy, a fish with healthy omega-3 fatty acids, and a recipe that's very low sodium, as long as we choose the right seasoning. But even better, well, maybe not better, but surely a big bonus, this is so easy to make. Check out these 5 ingredients. 4 tablespoons tub margarine, unsalted. 4 teaspoons minced garlic. 2 teaspoons lemon pepper, salt-free. 4 4-ounce salmon fillets or steaks, and lemon wedges. Preparation is simple too. Just season the salmon on both sides with the lemon pepper. Now, melt margarine in a medium skillet over medium-high heat. And stir in the garlic. Cook the fish for about 10 minutes per inch thickness, flipping halfway through to brown each side. It's done when the fish flakes easily with a fork. Finally, squeeze a little lemon juice for a fresh zest of flavor. And you have lemon garlic salmon ready for dinner. Each 4-ounce steak or fillet is a serving, and each serving is 240 calories, 1 gram carbohydrate, 23 grams protein, 15 grams total fat, 62 milligrams cholesterol, and only 54 milligrams of sodium. Notice this main course has virtually no carbohydrate, so that leaves plenty of choices available to vary your meals around this fish dish. Rice or other grains, corn, beans, fruit, potatoes, or sweet potatoes to get your carbohydrates, and include non-starchy vegetables like broccoli, spinach, tomatoes, carrots, salad greens, squash, green beans, or any of the many choices that will complete this filling dinner. Tonight, we are having corn on the cob and steamed fresh green beans as our side dishes. Maybe you'll join us. Either way, I'll see you right here next week with another featured recipe at diabeteseveryday.com.